Mabuhay Manila, this is Pope from ManilaShaker.com. Last May 3, we unboxed the Realme 8 Pro. And this time, we have the vanilla version for that device. This is the Realme 8. But what separates the vanilla version to the Pro version? Let's find out. The contents inside the box of the Realme 8 and the Pro version are pretty much the same. We have the SIM ejector pin, documentations, CPU case, USB-C cable, but this time instead of a 50-watt power brick, we get a smaller 30 watts. The Realme 8 comes with two color variants, the Cyber Black and this one is the Cyber Silver. I must say I like this better than the design of the Realme 8 Pro. I like the reflective glossy finish, the rainbow colors coming out of the side on the Dare to Live catchphrase whenever the light reflects on it. Another thing that has changed is the camera module. The Realme 8 Pro has each lens elevated, unlike the Realme 8, it has lower elevation and when put to a flat surface. Now heading to the front. It still boasts the same 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display. It has slim bezels and a slightly thick chin. It also has an in-display fingerprint scanner and on the top left is the same 16-megapixel selfie camera. Now speaking of cameras, it still has the same quad camera setup but instead of a 108-megapixel main sensor, this one has a 64-megapixel. And the three other lenses are the same as the Pro version, the 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel for both the macro and depth sensors. Here are some sample shots. As for its software, it runs with Android 11.0 and with Realme's latest Realme UI 2.0 on top. For its chipset, instead of a Snapdragon 722G, the Realme 8 is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 with a bigger 12nm process. It is also paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. We will also post a gaming review of this device soon. For its battery, this one has a bigger 5000 mAh battery unlike the 4500 mAh of the Pro version, but this time it is only paired with the 30 watts super dark charging. We will also test its battery endurance on our full review of this device, so stay tuned to our channel. For its price and availability, stay tuned on Realme's live stream launch on May 11, 6 PM on Realme's official Facebook page and YouTube channel. They will announce both the Realme 8 and the Realme 8 Pro and also the price and availability as well. Stay tuned to our channel because we will deep dive on its other features soon on our full review of these devices. Thank you guys for watching, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you will be updated with our future contents. Also don't forget to visit ManilaShaker.com for more tech news, reviews, and comparison of the latest device. Once again, this is Pope and Mabuhay Manila!